Hey guys, what's up? It is Simone here. Today in this video, we're going to be doing a couple of things in this video. So this wig is from HAIRVIVI, one of my favorite vendors. You guys know that. We have the True-scalp tape that makes the wig look like an actual scalp and just so natural. This is one of my favorite brands because I feel like they always get it right. The wig, the lace, the parting, it always will give. You really have to do nothing once you take the wig out the box, and that's one of the things that I love. So you have all this parting, deep parting, but I do want to show you guys how I put True-scalp tape. First, I'm going to go ahead and just put my hair into a low ponytail. Yes, I do have braids in, but I do this because I'm not really into the whole cornrow thing anymore, and I go to the gym so much. Look at my nails, aren't they cute? All right, so if you buy this entire box, I believe you get about 5 different tapes in this box. So you get a couple for $10. Next, I go ahead and I measure the True-scalp tape, and then I cut it because most of the wigs have about a 6-inch parting, and then I cut it into a rounded shape because I feel like it prevents the whole line of demarcation thing. Now, obviously this wig is plucked to perfection, so I do feel like because the lace is also very light and thin and high quality, you can see the tape through it if you don't really cut it round. So that's just my little tip and trick thing. Now let's just take a moment to appreciate how great this hairline looks. It's giving natural, it's giving, it just looks amazing. It's giving real. Okay, so we have the lace cut off and the hair is nice and secured on the hairline. What I always do to get rid of the crusties, as you guys know, this has been my trick forever. I just use more hairspray. I use my finger, I use a rat tail comb, I use a blow dryer, and I basically just hold it in place. Now, obviously don't spray so much, but spray enough to where it gets rid of the crust. Then you'll go back in with paper towel and wipe off whatever is left on your skin. Then you can go ahead and do the baby hairs. So I hope that tip helps. So this wig, like I mentioned before, it already comes curled and everything. It also comes with these bangs. So I absolutely love this look, and I showed you guys this on Instagram as well. So definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram for first dibs. But the whole point of this video, we finally reached, we are going to be doing a blowout look. Now, I feel like the best way to do this is by using hot rollers because it helps to set everything and it's not much stress on your hands and on your arms. So we have this curler set from the T3 brand, and it comes with the clips already. It also comes with 8 hot rollers, 4 being one size and 4 being another size. So this is really all you need, and I'm telling you guys, the outcome is flawless. There is no Velcro, but there is this velvety suede type of feel on the hot rollers, and that actually helps to keep the hair stuck to the rollers along with the clips that come with the actual set. So first things first is scoop out the parts that you want to frame your face. So as you see, we have the bangs already cut for us by the brand, and I want to make sure that I have this hair perfectly scooped out and neat. And so I'm going to put away all the hair that doesn't need to be involved in this section. Now, I also want the hair to be falling towards my face, as you can see. So I am going to have to blow dry this part and only this part going in that direction. Other than that, there is no blow drying involved. Now we get the roller, we put the hair onto the roller and then roll it back, tongue twister, and then clip it. And now we have the rest to do. Now, I do want everything to look uniform, so I am going to use a curling iron and curl everything in one direction. I'm not waiting for the curl to really get cool or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and directly wrap the hair around the roller, since the roller is very hot, being that it's a hot roller. And then I roll it all the way up and I flip it away from my face, and then I clip it with the comb. This is the easiest way I've ever installed the rollers, and I think this whole entire thing, the whole entire hot roller set, is 1000% worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair, and I'm going to let the music play a little. So all the rollers are in my hair. Now I am going to keep the rollers in my hair for a total of like 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, the rollers are still hot because they were plugged in before I installed the rollers in my hair. So just let it sit for a little bit and then go ahead and release the curls. Oh my god. So this wig is already amazing. I stress HAIRVIVI because I feel like it's one of my favorite brands. I feel like the wigs are worth it. They last long. They look good. They look natural. But I just feel like whatever hair they're using on their wigs and whatever lace they're using, it is top notch and high quality. And I just feel like using this roller set on the hair just added even more like volume, body, and just bounce to the actual hair. So I was just so satisfied with this, guys. I loved it. My hair had so much volume, I didn't even know what to do with it. So I did go ahead and just like comb it out. Now for this look, I wanted it to be really natural, which is why I didn't really do much baby hairs or much to the hairline like I normally would do, because I just wanted it for a natural look. But I just love how I can just brush this out, and it's giving like Dominican hair salon. It's giving natural, it's giving effortless. I just love it, especially with no makeup on. I feel like if a wig can look so good on you with no makeup, then it's definitely the wig to buy or the wig to have. And it was giving natural. There was so much body at the top that I had to kind of use the curling iron to flatten it out a little bit. But even with my braids underneath, it still looked pretty flat and super good. So I just loved it. I love the bangs. This wig came perfect. I do have a discount code for you though. So check in the description box if you are interested in this wig or any other HAIRVIVI wig, because I feel like it does make a difference when you are purchasing. But just look how natural and shiny the hair looks. Woo! Love it.